In this video, we shall be taking you through the step-by-step process of filing the annual compliance for your company. The subject matter is vast, hence presenting complete details may not be viable under one video. We have given more video link in the description of this video to understand the filing process in detail. Following is the step-by-step process of ROC annual compliance. Number 1. Check the applicability of returns and their due date. Well, refer to the date of incorporation of your company, and based on that you will know what returns are to be filed. If the company is incorporated before 1st January 2020, then both ROC returns as well as ITR is to be filed for the financial year 2019 to 2020. However, for newly incorporated companies that are registered after 1st January 2020, only ITR is necessary. However, the filing of Directors KYC is applicable for all directors who have been allotted a DIN during the financial year 2019 to 2020. Number 2. Check validity of digital signature of directors. The ROC return and ITR are filed electronically after its authentication by the digital signature of the directors. Check the validity of the digital signature. If you found that the validity of DSC has expired, then please take step to renew the same. You may place an order for DSC renewal by click on link given description in this video. Number 3. Obtain complete bank statement and identify transactions. The bank statements are the main source of information for the finalization of the books of account. You should obtain a complete bank statement for the period starting 1st April and ending on 31st March of the financial year. We suggest you mention the details of the party and the nature transactions against each entry of the bank statement. Number 4. Reconcile your books and confirm balance from parties. Now accumulate all the invoices raised and bills of expenses. Please note, we follow the accrual accounting system, hence include all the invoices or statement even if the same is unpaid. Further, reconcile with GST and TDS returns. Ask for ledger from significant parties and reconcile the balance as of 31st March for accuracy of financial statement. Number 5. Contact us, we will do the rest. Well done. Now is the time for your consultants to prepare a financial statement. Get the same confirmed from you. Then send the books of account for statutory audit of the financial statement. We will further assist you in holding AGM and do the necessary ROC and ITR filing for your company. For more detail, please visit our website www.SETINDIABIZ.com.
Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get corporate updates from SETINDIABIZ. SETINDIABIZ. Business begins here.